Hey guys, this is my quick demo and review of the Vip Digi car vacuum. Check it out. It's got a really nice, sleek design. It comes in a few colors. I know there's a blue one available and the black, and there's also a gray one. So check those out. Here are all the accessories that are included with it. First, we have the 2-in-1 brush, the crevice tool, multi-surface tool, flexible hose to give you more reach and flexibility, of course. And then we have the USB-C to USB-C fast charge cable, and also the USB-C to USB-A charge cable. The fast charge cable allows you to charge this vacuum in 30 minutes from 0 to full. This vacuum looks very cool. It is compact in size and it's very powerful. The bottom of the vacuum is flat, so you can place it and it's not going to roll away. It comes with the upgraded brushless motor. And on a full charge, it will run for 30 minutes continuously. It is easy to use and easy to clean. We have the Eco mode, which is standard, and we have the Turbo mode that increases the suction dramatically if you need that. And the other convenience is the filter is washable, so you can just rinse it off and use it again. What I really like is that it's got very good suction power for a car vacuum. And the size of it is very nice. It's not bulky. All the accessories are very useful and helpful. And it is a lightweight vacuum with a very cool design. I really like it and I would recommend it to anyone. Since it is a USB-C chargeable device, it gives you the convenience of always keeping it in your car and charging it in your car as well.